implement the functions to read data, what is at the front, what is at the end or back of the queue. So here, so we want to read the front const function. So it simply returns the data at the front and back. Similarly, we get the data at the back of the queue. So let's implement that. Int fqueue front const to read the data. Here typo t. To read the data, we need to make sure that this is not empty. If it's empty, you cannot read. So assert it's not empty. Then the data is p array I front index I front is the data, and then fqueue back const function is we need to assert that queue is not empty, of course, then return data at I back. It's the one. So go back to main function. So at this moment we can assert that queue front is data 20. Also queue back is data 20. So since we have only one single data, so 20 is a front as well as a back. Compile and check, it runs. Now if I do push 30, then front is still 20, but back is just added, so it should be 30. And then queue length at this moment is 2. We have added 2 data. Then compile and run. All of those things work fine. So you can also trace the program, run or start debug. There, step over. So we have added a 20. Now we are going to push another one. So let's jump into, so unfold this current I back is 0. So we increment I back. Now I back is 1. There we are store the data there. So data is stored at index 1. So we can verify that and debug a console. And this is referring to the current queue object. And then p array at index 0 is scroll down 20. This p array at index 1 is now 30. So those are there. Step over, count is now 2. Step over, we get out of the push function. Then all of those assertion is true. So we have traced the push function, and front and back of those are working fine. So